Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install latest version of Microsoft Office 2024. First, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, create a folder in your screen, right click, new folder, name it Office. Good. Then go to Google Chrome, search for Office Deployment Tool, enter, download Office Deployment Tool, change it to English and download. I put it in downloads. Just save. Show in folder. This one. Right click. Run as administrator. Tick this one. Continue. From desktop, find your folder. Office. OK. OK. Close this one. Come back to your folder. You see I have two files. Just delete this one. Good. Come back to Google Chrome. Open new window. Search for Office Customization Tool. Just enter. Click this one. If your PC is 32-bit, you can select 32-bit, but my PC is 64, so I select 64-bit. Scroll down. Select Office Suites product, Office 2024 Professional Plus. You can select Visio, you can select Project Kit if you need. From here, you can select your desired apps. Then next. Select language, English United States. Next. Next. Uncheck this one. Next. Select KMS. Next. Next. Finish. Export. Select this one. OK. I accept. Export. Go to desktop. Find your folder Office. Save. Good. Now close this one. You see I have these two files now. Just select the folder, Ctrl C. Go to disk C. Just Ctrl V. OK. Now open command prompt cmd. Run it as administrator. Yes. Come back to folder, open it, double click on it. Copy this path, this one. Ctrl C. From here write cd space Ctrl V. Enter. From here write setup /configure space configuration.xml. Enter. Now we just have to wait to finish installation. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. Now installation is finished. Just close. Now from here search for Microsoft Office apps, for example Word. Open it. OK. Close. Open it. From file, account, you see activation is required. Now you have to buy product key, then insert product key from this option. After inserting, your apps will be activated. That's all. Have a nice time.